Hey everyone, I made it into Kroger, so they do have some Halloween. Look at this alien guy. He looks like he is 17.50. Little alien, $21.
Nobody loves me.
Poor guy, he's sad.
I'm starving. Food seems to go right through me.
He talks quite a bit. They have skeleton hands for the ground, 10.50 and 17.50. It's gonna light up. You have your skull and bones. Oh look, the large boo sign with the pumpkin. Oh, look at this guy. He is 25. Oh, he's gonna raise. That's actually quite funny. I kind of like him. Let's find out how much this sign is. $25. We have the Boo Ghost. Welcome. Pumpkin at $10.50. This is $5.59. This is actually kind of neat calendar. Look, it's magnetic and it has a little bat on it. That is cool for $14. Normally you never see a bat. It's just like, a little circle. Here's another one, LED pumpkin. He's just gonna light up. And $10.49. This one's kind of cool too. Wish the bat looked a little more like a bat, but that's cute. I like the face on the pumpkin. Boo. Oh gosh, these little like galvanized type. These are $3.50. No, actually $5. Got the little truck for $25. I don't know how to shut that off. Oh, he's busted. Happy Halloween is $9.09. So this is back. They had this at CVS too. These are $10.50. They have the ghost, Frankenstein, and let me bring out the mummy. It's all the way in the back. There's no witch, and it's gonna light up. That's not the mummy. He's all the way back here. And the Boo and Pumpkin are $4.19. Here we go. There's a mummy. The black pumpkin with the bow, $9.09. Here's like a striped one, $17.50 and $14. These are actually really, really nice. And down here, more a black cat and another ghost coming out of the pumpkin. Says Boo for $10.50. This eek one is $10.50 and Spooky Boo. Normally in your grocery store you can find pretty neat Halloween decor. Have Eek. Oh, do you guys remember Eek the cat? Trick or treat.
Yeah,
Little
chubby girl.
little ghost countdown. That's funny. Oh, look at this pumpkin. He's kind of cool. I like this one. He's green for $5.59. Only see one. Then the cat and the mummy. Here for the candy. These are $7. Oh, those are really cute. They will light up and it does come in black.
Happy Halloween and trick or treat to you. Step up to my magic ball and I will do a trick for you. Take a Halloween wish. Close your eyes very tight. When you open them up, the bell will take flight. Happy Halloween and trick or treat to you.
And the lantern, okay, they have something really similar in the at-home store. Oh, look, like at Cracker Barrel. Okay, you guys, can't find it.
Greetings, trick-or-treater. Welcome to our haunted house of horrors.
And then here's the lantern for $14. And they also have one really similar in Walmart. You have your little weenie dog. Do these make noises? I don't think these do. Those are like 21. They have tiny ones too. Like multiple colors to choose from. The dragons are back. These look like $3.50. Little hands. Maybe put a little candle in there, or maybe holding a pumpkin. The two-headed cobra, a octopus, and I want to say, yeah, more unicorns. See? That's 21. Here's a little projector for 21. Oh, you know, the bear one is kind of cool.
Oh yeah.
He's cute. And look, they even have like a duck. They have a rabbit. The rabbit looks like a Donnie Darko. Reminds me of it. The bear is actually really, really cute. I wouldn't mind that. $3.50. Which one? Yeah. I don't think, does he do anything? It's kind of mean mugging. Looks like $14. A unicorn. Skulls are only $5.59. Little bats hanging. And skeleton. We have like your clown, king, and mermaid. Those are $4.19. And the lights are out. Really similar to the ones in the Dollar Tree. Tons of lights here. Oh, what is this one? I have this one. I bought it from CVS. Never took it out of the box. Then they have the pumpkin. These are $17.50. So I feel like if you want a flaming pumpkin, $17.50 is almost the same price in Home Depot for that rotten flaming one. Really nice. $3.50. Galaxy pumpkins are back for $25. Plenty of a candy. You know, candy is out. But look what's kind of cool here. They have Pez. Little mini Pez in a bag for $10. That's actually quite neat to hand out.
That's cool.
Right? That's cool. And what is this one? Dum Dums. What do you get? Do you guys like the Dum Dums? Let's see. These are sour blow pops. Do you like blow pops? And then I want to say there might be some more stuff over here. Normally they have like kitchen decor, so it looks like more pumpkin. Yeah, these are about $25. Oh, look at that one. Looks so funny. He got electrocuted. Inflatables. And a large Bone Daddy for $49. Oh, here's Oogie Boogie for $32. Oh gosh, there's just so much candy. Look, they have zombie eyeballs. How funny. Oh, he's so cute.
I know. Yeah, it's locked.
Where'd you find that?
I just found it laying down. Oh no.
You found it
Then
laying
I found
down?
a spider one, but that's not as cool.
Somebody tried to hide that
I
thing.
like this one.
Let's see if we can find it. Some few Halloween costumes. Looks like $19.59. Let's see. Oh, they do have fall decor here. I'm not ready to look at it yet. I'm not ready, but there's quite a bit. Look at the little squirrel friend and owl. You have the turkey. Look at these gnomes. Those are $10.50. All right, back to Halloween, and we'll come back to that. Let's see. Did you find it?
She's got a cart and she's putting it down.
That's not Halloween, but they're poppets for $5.99. Let's see. Okay, they do have the... Are these plastic or glass? Let me check real quick. Oh, they're glass.
Look. They're supposed to be...
Oh, I know. Walgreens is supposed to have the Nightmare, but I haven't seen it yet. These are skulls. Day of the Dead type of stuff. Here's some plushies at the bottom. And then we have your dinosaur with the bones. Alright you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I saw the lady, she had like these Squishmallow pumpkins. They were large. They had a pirate eye patch and bat wings. She was putting them up here and then she took them out. I have no idea why. But I'm going to end the video here. This is all they have right now. Let me look on this end cap real quick. Okay, are these mugs? No, little dish bowl. These are $4.89. Look, little plates here. $2.79. They have a cat. Let me bring out the cat real quick. Their music is always loud in here. There's a cat one. They're plastic and pumpkin. Witch's brew, $7. A little pumpkin in the back with the handle. And they do have a cat that has confetti. Mason jars are $7. Oh, you found them? Oh, that's what they look like. Are those Squishmallows?
Yeah.
What's the name of that guy?
Paxton.
Okay, she moved them. So they're like $21. Then you have little pails here for $2.80.
Over 10 for bigger than that.
But they weren't Halloween.
It doesn't matter. They were cute.
Here's a glow in the dark one. This bat one is cute. Alright, you guys, I will be back when they add more. They always do. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.